So in today's video, we're gonna see how to create a widget using a saved link. This is for IDX Broker users. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, what is a saved link? A saved link is a URL or link that points to an IDX page that displays listings with a specific search criteria. So it can be an area, like a city, a county, whatever area you select, the number of beds, the number of baths, something within a particular price range or property type. It's just a link that will take you to a preset results page, the results that you select. Next, what is a widget? So a widget is a small, customizable application or tool embedded within a web page to provide a specific functionality or display information. So basically a widget is just like a little piece of code that does a specific thing on your website. Like for example, a search bar is a widget. Like a home valuation thingy that asks for the address is a widget. Anything put like that on a website is a widget. And you can put it on any web page. Okay, now let's get started with the creation of the saved link. I have this amazing blog we created in 2021, but honestly it's super complete. It has all the information you need, all the step-by-step on how to create a saved link. What is an IDX Broker saved link and how do I create one? It has all the steps. It even gives you the instructions for the SEO settings, for the meta tags keywords, and it even has the information on how to add this on WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. It even has a video on how to create it. So I'm not gonna go through all of that for time's sake, but I just want you to know it's there. I'm going to leave the link for this blog here in the description of the video so you can take a look afterwards. Okay, so again, all the steps are here. We're gonna get started. It says, in order to create an IDX Broker saved link, you need to first log into your IDX Broker account, then go to the option for Design Website Saved Links. So let's go over to our dashboard. This is our demo account. So if we go over to Design, Website, and Saved Links, we're gonna go to the saved links. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new one for this video. And then we can pick the available search page. I'm gonna do advanced search. And then the next step, we're gonna choose our criteria. In this case, I want this to be, let's do single family. And we want this to be in Boca Raton. Let's do 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And then what else? I think that should be good. We want air conditioner, yes. And again, you can choose as refined criteria as you'd like. I'm gonna do just these for the video. And then we wanna go over to the third step, which would be the SEO settings. Okay, and then you have some other customization features here. Again, all these steps and everything, you can see it here in this blog, for which I'm gonna share the link in the description of this video. And you can go ahead and save and create another one, or you can save and manage. This time I'm gonna go ahead and save and manage. Okay, so 2 beds, 2 baths. You can see my saved link is done, is created. So now we want to go over to idxaddons.com. Okay, idxaddons.com is the dashboard where you can use all the Realty Candy software, all the apps, everything we've ever created. You can see everything that's available here in the widgets. We have over 85 widgets, very powerful ones, single property websites, home valuations, etc. So we're gonna go ahead and log in. As you can see, when I try to log in here, this is going to ask me for my IDX Broker API key. So I can actually find that here in my IDX Broker dashboard. I want to go over to Homes and then Access Control. I can click anywhere on this green box and it's gonna automatically copy it. So I go back to IDX add-ons and just paste that here. Okay, so we're logged in to the dashboard. So if you are a Realty Candy client, you already have access to this. So I will go to apps, and then I will find an app that's called Saved Link to Widget. Okay, so after we create the saved link, we are going to use this app right here. It's called Saved Link to Widget. You can display listings faster with optimized, ready-to-use widgets. Widget is just a piece of code that does a specific function. So we're gonna go over to IDX add-ons and we're gonna look for saved link to widget right here. Turn any of your saved links into a widget for you to showcase on your website. I'm gonna go ahead and click. Okay, so when we get here, you'll see this page and all of our apps have a tutorial that shows you step by step how to do everything, and also an about page where you can see more info on the app. So honestly, it's pretty self-explanatory. You need to read what every preference is asking you for. But okay, so select the save link that will be transformed into a widget. Okay, so we named it single family homes. We're gonna select that, and you can default order for the displayed properties. So I want to show this high to low, the number of listings, 9, I think it's a good number. You can select however many you like. If open a new tab. If enabled, the property display in the widget will open a new tab in your client's browser. So I don't like that for me personally, so I'm gonna keep it off. We have set a default value for the image width. If you need to adjust that, you can do that yourself here. If you enable this, then this is going to override whatever you selected here. So I'm gonna leave it off. You can also insert a default image if the MLS has not provided images for that specific listing. And you can also show view all results button. So we're only displaying 9 properties in this widget like this. And then if you enable this, this is going to show a button that says view all results. If you want to display this as a showcase or as a carousel. So I'm gonna do carousel, and then for mobile, I want to go with showcase. For the style, we want to select a theme here. To view all the available themes, you can click here and it will show you all the widget themes that we have. Okay, so you need to pick the one that best matches your website style. I'm gonna do zoom. I like zoom. Where is it? Zoom. Okay, and then you can set up the colors. If we've done an integration for you, like an IDX Connect, or we've done a one-click website for you, then the colors, your brand colors, will already be in here. If you want to change this or modify the colors of the widget, you can do so here as well. We're gonna save that, and boom. So if I copy this code, we want to preview this code, right? We want to preview this widget. So we recommend this tool that we use a lot here in our team. It's called jsfiddle.net. I'm also going to attach the link for this page here in the description of the video, but this is to preview the widget. Okay, so we're gonna copy that code from the dashboard. We're gonna go to JSFiddle and we're gonna copy the code that we copied from the dashboard on HTML here. And we're gonna click run. So here you can see what that widget looks like. Again, if you need to modify colors, or for example, we can go ahead and modify the theme. So let's go ahead and select Austin, for example. We copy the code again. We delete this and we run that. So that is how Austin looks. If you know CSS and JavaScript, you can go ahead and customize this further as well. Again, once you've selected all your preferences, everything is, you can copy the code and then go to whatever platform you use for your website. Go high level, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, whichever you use, and just paste the code there so this widget appears on your website. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.